Damn, I have to clear the objective. It got dirty from all the jungle and the beach. We are legit in the middle of the jungle. That is the jungle path we're working to El Saltillo, which is a hidden waterfall. I hope I find it. It's supposed to be an hour off the streets, so maybe 2 hours. But I'm not that slow, so I shouldn't need 2 hours. When I'm 2 hours out, I will head back, because then I think it's not there. No, this is not the hidden waterfall. No, but it starts to get there. Stuff like that. Almost like that, but way more beautiful it was on the pictures. So that's not it. No. We will continue to look for it. Should be beautiful.